everyone, and this is going to be a how to put on a Griffith Defender case or Survivor case onto an iPod Touch 5th generation. Mine is in pink and it is the 32GB model. So what you will be needing to put the case on, the Griffith Defender or Survivor case onto your iPod Touch 5th generation, is going to be a claw and the case itself, which when you take it out of its box after you purchased it, or if you're putting it on for someone, it will come in 3 parts. The hard shell, which will go on first, the silicone part, which will go on second, and the screen protector. So the first thing you want to do is get your iPod, get the hard shell case, and put it in. But before you put it in, you want to make sure that the camera lines up with this part, the pink part on the case, or else you will have your camera in wrong and you won't be able to take pictures. After that, you want to clean your case. You clean the screen so it wouldn't be all messy when you finish putting it on. Next thing you do is get your silicone and slip the hard shell into it. And you want to make sure that it is on well, or else the plastic part will not go in. It will, but it will be in there poorly. So after you put it on, make sure it is on snug. Push it in from the sides and from the back too. Get your cloth again and clean the screen. Next, you take your screen protector and clean it. You also want to clean the camera part, because the plastic does extend to the camera piece. Now just lay the screen protector piece on top of the case and the device. That is what it will look like after you put the case on and everything. Then I'll have this. You just pick at it from here, and it will go down like this. That way you can take pictures. And the bottom, headphone jack, charging port, and speaker.